Hi everyone. Today on my workbench I have Matt's Breckwell brand pellet stove controller. Matt sent me this one because he was having problems with the auger drive. The auger was not driving very much for approximately 1 second, and then it would be off for a long time, and then it would drive for 1 second or so, no matter what speed it was at, whether it was low or max. So that's a problem. I guess the fire kept going out. He wasn't feeding enough. So he sent me the controller. After we texted each other, he sent me the controller, and I've received it, and I've made all the repairs, and I'm about to do final test on it. So I'll go ahead and turn it on, and a couple things will happen. One is the combustion fan will come on, the light that simulates the combustion fan in blue, and the convection or room fan, the one in red. Those will both come on because that's the way my tester is configured. It's made to make that happen. So I'll go ahead and turn it on. And you see they're both on. I'm in the low position right now. None of the green lights have come on. And my toggle switch for the manual feed and high fan is in the center. So a couple things I can check right now is, one of course is the manual feed. When I press that, the auger light, the yellow one over here, will come on and simulate that the auger is driving. Press release, press release, press release. So in manual mode that's working fine, and that was working for him as well. The other thing I can check is the high fan. That should make the fan light come on brightest. There we see it. It's on brightest. That's as bright or as it'll get, and that indicates that the motor would run harder. So the other thing I can do in the last test I can do here with it in manual mode is to rotate through the intensity or the speeds for the room fan, and as you can see it changes intensity. So that is working correctly. I'll note that on this controller's positions D and max are connected together, so the intensity will not change, the room fan speed will not change on those two settings, but it will change on D, C, B, and low. So that's it for the manual side of it. Now we'll go to automatic mode, where a couple things will happen. I'll press the auger button, and that will cause a green light at the top to come on, telling us that we're in automatic mode. And when I release that button, there's a circuit on this controller, because for the hot rod element to ignite the pellet load, so that will make the igniter lamp come on. So I'll go ahead and press that, and we'll see the green light come on. Press, and when I release, the ignition comes on. So that's exactly as I expected it. Now we'll leave it this way for a little bit, and because I'm on the low position, it'll take about 20 minutes, and just above the word pellet here, hard to see maybe, we'll see a little green LED come on, and when that does, we should see the yellow auger motor indicator come on as well. So let's just wait for that to happen. There it is. We can see both happen at the same time, and we notice that it was on for a period. I'll go to the low just to make sure, but it was on for a period longer than just a 1 second that it was originally sent to me to repair. Notice it's on for a little bit longer, so I'll go ahead and I'll switch it to max, and that causes the room fan to come on. But what we'll notice here is that the duration of off time for the auger will be shorter, and the on time will be longer. So let's look for that to happen. Notice that. There we go. It's on longer. So that was on for what, 2.5, 3 seconds, maybe 4 seconds. We'll go through the cycle again. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, about 4 seconds. And I'll go back to low. That means that the time off will be longer as well. And I'll try to count the on time. 1001, there we go. It was very quick. So that's what I normally see. That's what I expect to see. So with all this, Matt, your controller is now working correctly. I will say one more thing is, if I leave it in this mode for another approximately 10 minutes, this light, the igniter, will go off. I've already tested that. That is fully functional. That's a little bit outside the scope of this video. I don't want to wait that long. But this light will go off. That's a safety feature, and that indicates that the controller will turn off your igniter. So that's it for now. Matt, I want to thank you for sending me your controller. I appreciate it very much. It was a little bit of a bear to fix, but we got through it. For all you viewers out there, I appreciate you taking the time to watch this. I'll ask that you please subscribe to my channel and give a thumbs up to this video if you think it has any value or you enjoyed it. Thank you so much, everyone. Bye-bye.